Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English Podcast Show, the place where learning English feels natural, friendly, and full of good energy. I'm your host, and today we're going to do something simple but powerful. We're going to talk about my favorite English words that sound beautiful, feel good, and carry positive energy. These words are not fancy or difficult. They're small, everyday words, but they have big feelings inside them. So, sit back, relax, maybe grab your tea or coffee, and let's begin. Word 1, happy. The first word is happy. It's such a short word, right? But it can completely change your mood. When you say happy, something inside you just lifts up. I imagine sunshine, blue skies, and maybe some ice cream melting in my hand. Happiness is not always about big things. Sometimes it's just a quiet morning, a small smile, or listening to your favorite song. So, here's a little challenge. Think of one small thing that made you happy today. Maybe a message from a friend, or your morning coffee. Say it out loud. That made me happy. Feels good, doesn't it? Word 2, smile. My second favorite word is smile. Such a gentle, soft word, but it can do magic. When you smile, even if you're having a bad day, your brain starts to feel better. It's like sending sunshine to yourself. You can even hear a smile in someone's voice, like, right now. Can you hear that I'm smiling while talking to you? Go ahead, try it. Smile right now, wherever you are. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Doesn't that instantly change how you feel? See? Learning English can make you smile too. Word 3, kind. The next one is kind. It's small, but it carries the biggest power of all love. Being kind doesn't cost anything, but it can make a huge difference. A kind word can calm someone's heart. A kind gesture can change someone's day. Say thank you. Say you did great. Help someone carry a bag. These little actions make the world softer, safer, and more human. So, today, I want you to do one kind thing. Just one. It could be as simple as texting someone, "I'm proud of you," because kindness always comes back double. Word 4, travel. Next, one of my all-time favorites, travel. When I hear this word, I feel free. Travel means adventure, stories, and learning not just about the world, but about yourself. Even a short trip to a nearby town can refresh your mind. You meet new people, hear new sounds, and see life from a different angle. Travel doesn't always need a plane ticket. You can travel through books, movies, podcasts, even this one. Every time you learn something new, you're traveling in your mind. So tell me, what's one place you dream of visiting someday? Imagine it clearly. The smells, the sounds, the people. Hold that dream close, because one day you'll be there. Word 5, music. My next favorite word is music. Music. It's like medicine for the soul. It doesn't matter what language the song is, and your heart always understands it. Music can make you cry, laugh, dance, or dream all in a few minutes. It connects people without needing translation. I love how music changes your mood instantly. If I'm tired, upbeat music gives me energy. If I'm sad, slow music helps me breathe and feel calm. So maybe after this episode, put on your favorite English song and listen carefully to the words. That's one of the best and most fun ways to learn English. Word 6, dream. And finally, my last favorite word, dream. This one is special. Dream means two things: what you see at night and what you hope for in life. Your dreams are like little lights inside you, guiding you forward. And even if they seem far away, remember, every big dream starts small. If you're learning English right now, that's a dream too. You're growing step by step, word by word. Don't stop, because every word you learn brings you closer to your goal. So say it with me, I can do it. Yes, you can. Closing. So, my friends, let's quickly remember our 6 favorite English words today. Happy, smile, kind, travel, music, and dream. All small words, but full of meaning, emotion, and beauty. And the best part? You can use all of them in your daily life, starting today. You don't need difficult English to speak beautifully. Simple English, spoken with heart, is always powerful. Thank you so much for joining me today on the English Podcast Show. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning English. And before you go, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite English word? I'd love to hear it. Maybe I'll include it in the next episode. Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep dreaming. Bye for now.